Hey, what if you could achieve the same kind of breathtaking email marketing performance and success that some of the world's most famous entrepreneurs and top companies are enjoying? What if you could learn the mind-blowing insider secrets that industry leaders and influencers have been using and closely guarding for years? And finally, what if you suddenly found yourself equipped with the kind of high-level marketing knowledge, tactics, and strategies that almost none of your competitors are using? You see, one of the most common things we hear today from entrepreneurs, whether seasoned veterans or absolute newbies, is that their email marketing performance sucks. It's not like the old days, when everyone and their mother was excited every time they got an email and they were almost guaranteed to open it and read it top to bottom. Today, it's the opposite. Customers and prospects have become wary of opening marketing emails. It's becoming harder and harder to maintain a relationship with your tribe, much less monetize your list. Even once thriving entrepreneurs and companies who are still employing old-school methods are finding themselves at risk of losing email as a sales and marketing channel altogether. And maybe you've been there yourself. Maybe you've put the time, money, and sweat equity into building an email list, only to find it largely unresponsive. No matter how hard you try, you've got a cold, non-existent relationship with your subscribers. You've got low engagement, low open rates, low click-through rates, and low sales. Low, low, low. Well, guess what? The era of low is about to come to an end. You're about to get access to one of the most valuable assets an entrepreneur can get their hands on today. The keys to the email marketing kingdom, as it were. You see, the reason those other companies and entrepreneurs are failing at email marketing is because they haven't stayed on the cutting edge. They haven't kept up with the changes in consumer behavior and sentiments. It's like that old Marine Corps maxim: improvise, overcome, adapt. Needless to say, if you don't do that in business, you'll fall flat on your face. But luckily, since you're on this page right now, that won't be a problem for you. The cutting-edge training you're about to get access to and the secrets inside will not only blow you away, but they'll blow your email marketing performance out of the water. Here's just a tiny sampling of what you're moments away from unlocking. You're going to learn 6 secret subject line mechanisms that practically force people to open your emails. Not to mention getting your hands on a treasure trove of proven plug-and-play templates that you can start using today. Then, you're going to learn 8 earth-shattering methods for crafting perfect emails that people love to read, including the 2 critical forms of anticipation and how to build them, the trust-building secret of actionable content, the magic of finding out and giving your customers what they want so precisely that they fall in love with your email newsletters, and even the counterintuitive rule of initial email promotions that'll probably surprise the heck out of you because it's the opposite of what most others teach. After that, you'll learn the quick and easy method for learning so much about your audience, their personality, their wants, their needs, their fears, and so on, that they'll feel like they're reading a letter from a close friend. Next, you'll discover the little-known but easy-to-implement rules for maintaining a consistent brand voice and consistent brand message throughout the life of your email marketing, and even how to ensure that voice and message stay the same if you outsource your email writing to partners, team members, or freelancers. Then, you'll learn one of the business world's best-kept secrets: how to ingeniously differentiate yourself from your competitors, even in a crowded market, and in a way that'll have your readers opening and reading your emails almost religiously. And believe it or not, we've just scratched the surface. There's so many other things in this training that I could tell you about, like the 11 golden factors that affect your email performance, the 6 key factors that you need to be tracking and optimizing at all times, and the #1 secret to any kind of split testing and performance optimization. And it's the one thing many of your competitors are messing up on. And there's so much more. Look, I could go on, but suffice it to say, this training is going to completely revolutionize the way you think about email marketing. By the time you're done with this training, you'll have everything you need to skyrocket your open rates and click-through rates, maximize your profits, and totally dominate your market. So, if you're ready to unlock the ultimate treasure trove of insider secrets, to leave your competitors in the dust, and to take your email marketing to a level you never thought possible, then click the button below and let's get started.